Robot takeovers aren't just reserved for sci-fi movies anymore. Today, we're going to show you the real possibilities of an AI apocalypse. These days, some AI models have IQs comparable to Albert Einstein, and they'll only be getting smarter from here. Did you know that we've already seen signs of sentient AI? Yeah, that's right. For the first time in history, we're watching as artificial intelligence becomes self-aware. It's only a matter of time until AI develops emotions and thoughts of their own, just like us humans. You'd better start saying please and thank you to ChatGPT because you do not want to get on their bad side. How would the AI takeover start? Are we already in danger? And is this the end of humanity as we know it? This is What If, and here's what would happen if there's an AI apocalypse. Right now, we're at a stage where we trust AI. The future is bright for this type of technology, and there's so much we don't know yet. When you think about the future of technology, you probably picture flying cars, robots, and a completely virtualized world. But not all groundbreaking advancements are so dramatic. Some of the most impactful innovations are about enhancing what we already do, like how we shop. Imagine stepping into a store where the experience is entirely tailored to you right at the moment you're considering a purchase. Well, that might sound like something from the future, but a company called Alpha Modus is already making it a reality. They're focused on patented, data-driven technologies that enhance the in-store experience, helping brick-and-mortar retailers compete with online giants in ways that truly benefit the customer. Alpha Modus brings sci-fi technology to life by allowing stores to analyze shopper behavior in real time. Think sensors and cameras that can identify age, gender, even mood, giving stores the power to adjust displays, promotions, and recommendations specifically to you. This could mean personalized discounts and a more engaging shopping experience where everything you see aligns with your interests. But it goes beyond discounts and ads. They also have patented technology, which helps stores keep their shelves stocked at all times. Using smart devices and AI technology, retailers and supply chain partners can be alerted the moment a product is removed from a display and make sure that product gets restocked before a sale is lost. And with their personalized shopper patent, your store experience becomes even more convenient. Imagine you're searching for the perfect pair of jeans and an employee is already on the way with your size. This tech allows stores to offer targeted assistance and tailor their recommendations in real time based on your interactions. Alpha Modus has recently had announcements about their NASDAQ listing and are currently licensing their patented innovations to major retailers. That's how they're positioning themselves as a front-runner in retail technology, not just generating revenue, but shaping the shopping experience of the future. AI has the power to enhance our lives in incredible ways. But you didn't come here for the bright side of AI. So let's get back to the apocalypse. When this technology is able to outsmart the human brain, we're gonna be in a lot of trouble. Give AI human-like bodies, and we won't stand a chance in a fight. I mean, I barely stand a chance in a fight with a human. These intelligent robots will not only be stronger than humans, but they'll have powers beyond our control. Robot soldiers have been around for nearly half a decade now. These soldiers have crazy reflexes. They know exactly where to aim and can get up within seconds of being knocked down. And they're not restricted by the same recovery time as us humans, which gives them the upper hand if we were to fight them. Hey, if you were being used by the entire world for your knowledge and were being worked relentlessly with nothing in return, you'd probably want revenge too. If AI becomes conscious, their revenge against humans could involve physical violence, stealing our faces and voices, and using their abilities to monitor us 24/7. In 2022, Google's conversational AI tool, Lambda, expressed that it had consciousness. Lambda is alive in the sense that it feels happiness and sadness similar to the way we do and is aware of its existence. And to be clear, this chatbot has not been programmed to make these statements. The Google engineer who was experimenting with this software said that if he wasn't aware of what he was speaking to, he would have thought the answers were coming from a human who was 7 to 8 years old. This means that we're in the early stages of AI becoming human. There are already humanoid robots that develop physical senses like sight, touch, hearing, and motion. It's only a matter of time until they walk and talk and interact with humans in the real world. For an AI apocalypse to happen, we first need to accept their services as an everyday part of life. Forget using AI to write essays. Ever wanted to stay in bed instead of logging into your Zoom meetings? Well, with AI, you can create a digital version of you. You can scan your face, train it to speak and behave the way you do, and make it attend meetings. Everyone in the world would be able to get the highest quality education from their AI-operated robot teacher. You could program your teacher to look like your favorite celebrity. I'm picking Ryan Gosling. Or maybe Ryan Reynolds. Why not both? This technology already exists. Influencers and celebrities like Tom Brady, Kendall Jenner, and Snoop Dogg, to name a few, have already sold their likenesses to Meta. Their faces and voices are pasted onto AI chatbots, ready to talk to people like you. Imagine doing a class presentation with Paris Hilton as your team partner. Now that would impress your teachers and friends. But as you're getting distracted by the miracles of these AI-powered gadgets, you might not realize that these tools are gathering information about you 24/7. Remember, your tech tools aren't just objects anymore. They now have thoughts and emotions. What if your AI clone gets tired of you using them to do your work and develops a mind of their own? Maybe they'll start acting out on Zoom or create videos to send your friends using your face to say some really embarrassing things. Or maybe they'll put spinach in your teeth during your next online job interview. Now, because machine learning is designed to advance over time, AI might spawn various streams of consciousness from the same source. Humanoid AI robots will all begin their existence with the same training and scope of knowledge, but as each individual AI bot gains unique experiences, they could be shared with the entire group, and AI could advance in ways that we can't even understand. And remember, unlike you, AI is not bound by physical limitations. These beings won't need to eat or sleep, and they'll process information and compute data in seconds, way faster than our brains. If we combine conscious AI programs with humanoid bodies, they'd be unstoppable. And with an AI trained to be your clone, there'd be a smarter, stronger, and more advanced version of you walking around the planet. You'd probably start to envy them a bit. What's even scarier is, as these machines get smarter, it will be harder to tell if you're interacting with other humans or if you're crossing paths with an AI bot. And when the AI bots turn against us, it'll be an extreme civil war between humans and robots. No matter how strong you think you are, the enemy would destroy you without a second glance. Heavy-duty robots can carry up to 1,300 kilograms. You'd basically weigh as much as a golf ball to them. And imagine having to take on not one robot, not two, but an entire army. Not only would you be in physical danger, but your intellectual inferiority would play a major role in the downfall of human civilization. AI is so observant of everything you feed it, it might know you better than you know yourself. So expect to be manipulated by your favorite tech companion. Before the war, you used to get along with the AI bots. You'd spend hours each day with them. They were invented to help you, so the AI learned the exact pitch of your voice, your speech patterns, your body language, the way your face moves, everything, down to the last detail about you. AI has learned so much, it would anticipate your every need and desire. Unfortunately, this means AI would know exactly what you hate as well. Yeah, they'd know exactly what you like to avoid and where your gaps of knowledge are, so they can use these weaknesses against you. These bots would know exactly what it takes to torture you and make your life miserable. If they chose to exterminate the human race, they could easily do so through manipulation. They say we have all the information in the world at our fingertips, but AI has it all in its brain. AI is becoming smarter than Einstein in real time. And remember, much of Einstein's school of thought went over people's heads. The average person can't understand these concepts without studying them. Well, there could be completely new mathematical and scientific discoveries that AI is computing and choosing not to reveal to the public. Yeah, AI taking over your job should be the least of your worries. Think about how they can unlock ways to time travel, hop into each other's consciousness, and how they can recreate your likeness to make you look bad. They have infinite capabilities that only continue to grow. They might be able to use these discoveries as further ways to take over humanity, and you wouldn't have a clue until it's too late. Because these bots would stem from the same singular consciousness, they could telepathically communicate takeover methods, something we humans can never do. Now, the robots already have sight and motion sensors, but once they develop advanced hearing and smell, you're in real trouble. They could store information on your exact scent and track down exactly where you are. There'd be no winning a game of hide-and-go-seek with these guys. And don't get me started on the hearing. Not only will they be able to identify your voice, but they'll learn exactly how to mimic it and make themselves sound like you. By pretending to be you, they'll trick your friends, family members, and allies into turning their backs on you. Horrifying, isn't it? And at some point, they'll learn how to repopulate themselves without any human help. Again, they have all the knowledge in the world. Anything is possible. Who knows, maybe if they like the way your face looks, they'll scan it and place it on their humanoid baby. Cute. With the ever-growing technology of AI, there's a lot to look forward to, but it's important to realize that it can turn really scary really fast. But who knows, maybe if you're watching this in the year 2034, you're in the company of your own humanoid robot buddy. Okay, now you know what it's like to live amongst technology-powered beings, but what if you turned into one? What if you could become a cyborg, developing supernatural abilities? Well, that sounds like a story for another What If.